Check it out. I got this yesterday, just borrowing it. It's just in the nick of time. I needed it today at the very latest. But yeah, I hung out with my friends until late last night, and I'm gonna go shop before I just stay in bed all day because I'm still sick. But yeah, let me get a few things. I had a few bottles. Now let's not waste too much money. Alright, check it out, guys. I got some more milk for rolled oats, and then I got some pizza flour, pizza sauce, pepperoni, and cheese. I'm gonna have enough stuff here to make pizza for a few days, and after that I can make flatbread with the rest of the dough. And of course, a little bit of soda. You gotta have that for pizza night, right? It's so nice not having to worry about the food budget now. I'm gonna make it. I can't believe school starts tomorrow, but at least I got the laptop. I made some pizza dough, got pizza flour, a tiny bit of sugar, then some homemade Greek olive oil, as well as water, just lukewarm water, and then I've just been kneading it. I'm gonna let it sit here to rise or raise or whatever. No, I think it's rice. Gonna put this piece of cloth over top it, and yeah, soon enough I'll make a pizza. Guys, I'm having some of these cookies with milk. Let's go. I'm going for a bit of a walk. I'm not much for driving on the wheel when I feel sick. School's gonna start tomorrow. Oh my god, at least it's online, huh? I have not went to school for a long ass time. Check it out. I made a pizza. Well, I made the dough. I put some garlic into some olive oil here. Once the cheese is all melted, I'm gonna distribute this on top. Normally I used to mix oregano in there as well, but I'm gonna sprinkle it on top separately. I think it turns out better that way. Check this out. Right out the oven. Ah, it looks amazing. This is gonna be so good.